art is a uniquely human activity. Birds don't create art. Trees don't create art. God has, hopefully, if there is one, created this universe. But it is not said that he created this universe as a work of art. In fact, he must be quite unhappy to what he has done, and must be turning in his hell or heaven, wherever he resides, because after all, hell is also created by him. So hopefully he might be reciting once in a while, spending a night there to feel how the hell looks like. But if he is not doing that, he would have a fair idea. But human beings create art. It is only human beings who create art. There is a very interesting discussion between Einstein and Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was insisting that there are only human truths, there are no absolute truths. And Einstein, as a scientist, was saying, even if nobody sees, if there is an Akash Ganga, a galaxy, it is true. And Rabindranath said, no, it cannot be true unless seen by human beings. Without human perception, there cannot be truth. He said the notion of truth itself is human. There is no notion of truth among non-humans, let's say. So truth itself, whatever it is, whatever it may mean, is created by men, by human beings, by Homo sapiens. And therefore, in order to realize your full humanness, in order to be richly human, in order that you partake in the great human possibility of connectivity given to you by art, in order, if not to create yourself, in fact, every person who properly enjoys art is creative in some sense, because he imbibes that work of art within himself. In a manner of speaking, he owns it. You own a work of art by appreciation, by understanding what's happening, by trying to understand what is happening. A work of art belongs to you, may not belong to you physically. I know many people to whom the Vincent van Gogh painting, which is one of the costliest paintings in the world perhaps at the moment, can possibly belong to, or Guernica can possibly belong to. But there are many people who own it. This is a notion different from belonging and owning in the commercial world. Art allows you to own it without belonging to it.